Hello and welcome back to Rooted in the Seasons, where we explore how ancient wisdom meets modern life with a strong cup of tea and a dose of practical tools for real busy women. I'm Katya Patel, a yoga teacher and teacher mentor and Ayurveda diet and lifestyle consultant, and someone who helps you find your calm and clarity through small daily rituals, seasonal rhythms, and timeless wisdom. Today's episode will be a little different. We're diving into a practice that I absolutely love, which is restorative yoga. I'll be sharing why it's so powerful in the autumn, especially when stress and overwhelm feel heightened. And I'll guide you through 3 of my favorite restorative poses that you can practice at home. You could either practice with me or with videos later on. So let's get started. As the days are getting shorter now and the evenings are getting darker, many of us feel a natural pull towards slowing down. And maybe you notice that you gravitate more towards your sofa and then towards your yoga mat, or that your energy dips earlier in the evening. So that hasn't anything to do with laziness. It has all to do with your body's natural rhythm adjusting to the seasons. Autumn and winter are times when nature naturally slows down and invites us to do the same. And restorative yoga is the perfect practice to align with this natural rhythm of becoming stiller, drawing more inward, and resting deeply. Unlike active asanas that build strength and stamina, restorative yoga focuses on replenishment, stress relief, and nervous system balance. From an Ayurvedic perspective, autumn is governed by Vata dosha, which has light, mobile, and airy qualities. They can make us feel scattered, restless, and even burned out. Restorative yoga helps to counteract that by grounding the body and calming the mind. It is what I call a passive practice. It's designed to relax the body and the mind. It's designed to relax the body and the mind deeply. And here's the thing. It's not a luxury. It's really a necessity, especially during the autumn and winter months. When you settle into a restorative pose, supported with a regular practice, restorative yoga helps you reduce stress, regulate the nervous system, and even lower your blood pressure and your heart rate. It improves your sleep, it reduces inflammation, and supports your immune system, and brings emotional balance as well. And beyond the physical, it helps you step back from feeling overwhelmed by giving your mind a space to settle. You go back to your day-to-day life with more clarity, with calm and focus. And the best part, you don't need any expensive props, just a few cushions and blankets, whatever you have at home, and a little time. Now, before we dive into the poses, let's take a moment and set the scene. Practicing restorative yoga requires a quiet space. At home, you may roll out your yoga mat or spread out a few blankets. Close the door behind you and leave a don't disturb note on outside your door. Turn off your phone or put it on airplane mode so you won't get distracted. Gather plenty of cushions and blankets and maybe a soft scarf to cover your eyes. When it comes to relaxation, your brain needs 3 essentials. One is safety. So choose a place where you feel secure. The other one is warmth. Keep your body warm is a key to letting go. So have blankets also to cover you. Put your socks on. And darkness, eye cover or scarf that helps you to turn more inwards. So now we have explored the many benefits of restorative yoga and why it is especially powerful in the autumn, calming vata, reducing stress and helping us to reset. Let's move into the practice together. So I'll guide you through 3 poses here on this podcast: a supported passive backbend, a gentle supine twist, and a deeply nourishing Savasana. If you like more visual guidance, I've also created short step-by-step setup videos for each pose, plus a complete 30-minute guided sequence where I lead you through all 3 together. You'll find the link to those in the show notes. So you can simply listen along now, or you can practice with me if you're set up, or come back later and follow the videos whenever you're ready for a deeper rest. So if you want to practice with me now, hit pause, grab a few blankets, cushions to support your body. And if you're out walking or listening on the go, follow along in your mind. You'll still benefit from pausing and breathing with me. All right, let's begin. So passive backbend. That's our first pose, a gentle way to open the chest and reverse the short, shallow breathing that comes with the busy days. If you're listening on the go, simply imagine opening through the chest and breathing as you're breathing in, and softening the shoulders as you breathe out. Let the breath create space for you. And if you're practicing at home, here's how to set it up. Take 2 firm blankets, roll them up like a yoga mat, so shaping a tube. Place the support lengthwise on your mat and sit right in front of the support, so that you actually touch the blankets or the mat. Slowly you want to lie back on the blankets. They should support the entire length of your spine, from the base, from your tailbone, all the way up to the top of your head. Let your arms fall open on either side. Place a cushion underneath your head. You can fold it in, and you can also tuck the edges of the cushion in to support your neck, and lower your chin just slightly so the neck feels open and supported. Cover yourself with a blanket so you feel warm and safe. And if you can, place a scarf or eye pillow over your eyes to create darkness. Remember the 3 essentials that I mentioned before. So once you're settled, closed eyes, begin to notice your breath. Allow it to deepen naturally without effort. Stay here for about 10 minutes. If you're practicing now, pause the podcast and set the alarm on your phone. To exit the pose, deepen your breath, bend your knees, roll onto your side. Stay there for a breath or 2. The second pose is a supported supine twist. If you're listening, again, on the go, simply imagine Your spine gently lengthens as you inhale. And as you exhale, picture yourself releasing into a soft twist, wringing out tension and creating space across the ribs. And if you're at home, here's how to set it up. So you can, if you like, you can keep the rolled up blanket along the spine from the supported back bend on the side of it. So lie with your arms stretched out at shoulder level and your knees bent. Slowly let your legs turn to the right while your head turns to the left. This is the basic shape of the pose. Now take your time to make your body completely comfortable. If you kept the support from the back bend, you want to place a couple of blankets or cushions underneath your left shoulder. So there's no stretch or strain, but the shoulder, the upper chest, they feel open. Also add a cushion under your head so that you are aligned with the spine. For the legs, place a rolled up blanket or a large cushion underneath the bottom leg to support the hip. And slide a cushion between the knees all the way down to the ankles so your legs feel supported and relaxed as well. Both supports really help the hips to be much more at ease. Once you're set up, cover your body with a blanket. Place the scarf or an eye pillow over your eyes. In the twist, you stay shorter. 2 to 3 minutes each side is sufficient. So as you rest, bring awareness to the open side of your body. Breathe into the rib cage and the belly. Let the breath flow without effort. With the in-breath, create more space. And with the out-breath, let your shoulder relax, the chest, the neck. Inhale down the open side where you feel the space is already. Receiving the in-breath from the belly up, rib cage and upper chest and shoulder. And with the out-breath, release through the left side more, the shoulder, upper chest and arm. When you're ready, slowly come back to center with an in-breath and repeat the twist on the other side. So if you have the cover for your along the spine still there, lie on the other side, on the left side of the cover. Again, spread the arms out at shoulder level, turn your head now to your right. Legs to the left. Or in opposite direction. And again, stay for 2 to 3 minutes. 5 deep, slow breaths into the open space. With each out breath, release and relax deeper into the ground that supports you. Again, when you're ready, slowly come back to center with an in-breath. Now, roll the support along the spine away. Lie on your back for a moment with your knees bent. And get ready for our final pose, Savasana. It's the ultimate pose of rest. Again, if you're listening on the go, slow your breath right down now. Notice the pause at the end of each inhale, the softness at the end of each exhale. Imagine your whole body sinking into stillness, supported by the ground beneath you. If you're practicing at home, here's how to set it up. Roll 2 blankets and place them underneath your knees. Rest your ankles on cushions so your heels are free. Place a folded cushion underneath your head like the first pose. Make sure your chin is slightly lowered. Then slide 2 small cushions underneath your hands. Keep the forearms free so that your shoulders can soften. Finally, cover your body with a blanket, close your eyes, and let the whole body sink into the ground. Stay here for about 20 minutes if you're practicing now. If thoughts come, allow them to drift by. Return to the quiet rhythm of your breath. Pause the podcast. Set your alarm. If you have time, stay as long as you like. Let your breath be soft and smooth. Notice the natural pauses between the in and the exhale. These 3 supported poses are simple, but they hold an incredible power, especially in autumn. Supported by blankets, silence, and your breath, they bring balance to the light, mobile qualities of Vata dosha. If you have only 10 or 15 minutes, choose one of the poses and let yourself drop fully into them. Even 5 minutes daily make a huge difference. And if you like a deeper reset or a once a week longer practice, I created the 30-minute guided video where I lead you through all 3 poses together. Again, you find the link in the show notes. Thank you so much for listening to Rooted in the Season. I hope you've enjoyed this slightly different episode. Make sure you subscribe or follow wherever you're listening. That way you won't miss the next episode. Download my free guide. My 5 daily Ayurvedic shifts to go from scattered to steady. To start creating a rhythm that helps you bring more calm into your days. Also, this link you'll find in the show notes. And of course, I always love hearing from you. So DM me on Instagram, send me an email, comment below. I truly enjoy connecting to you. Until next time, stay rooted in the seasons. Bye-bye.